Hi guys, today I'm here to just address a question a lot of you guys been asking me, and that is, how do I use my phone and send a text message to another person anywhere in the world, and I can do it for free. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate that to you guys here. I have here two phones on the table. The first one here is a BlackBerry, which is actually currently right now with a carrier, Digicel, and Digicel is a Jamaican telephone service provider. To prove that to you guys, first of all, you have the big Digicel logo at the top right there. Also, if I was to do a certain code, if I was to go *120# and hit send, it will actually come back and tell me what's my balance on the phone. So here it says I have 18 cents JMD, which stands for Jamaican dollars. So this phone is actually registered with a Jamaican carrier. Okay, so there's a Digicel chip in this telephone. That's what it's basically saying to you. Okay, the other phone here, which is a HTC Sensation, this one is with a Canadian carrier, which is by the name Chatter. So if I was to go settings, then I just scroll down to the bottom and go about, then network, you guys will see that this phone is with Chatter, and it's marked right there. Operator name, Chatter, CHATR. Okay, also if I was, for example, to say do *225# call, then it will actually come back and give me a balance for Chatter as well. And it comes back and it says your balance is 0. So this phone right now is with Chatter, as I've just proven to you guys. And by the way, this phone does not have an international text messaging plan on it. I'm going to use this phone, the Canadian number, to text this phone, the Jamaican number. Okay, there is not an international text plan on this phone, and I'm going to prove that to you guys. So if I went into text messages and I was to say, let me delete this first of all. Okay, if I was to say create a new message, and I was to go and I said, okay, number 1-876 862-4599, just say hello and hit send. Now that's the number for this, that's the number for the chip that's actually in this phone right now, by the way. Okay, so right now this phone is the Sensation is trying to send a message using the Canadian carrier Chatter to send a message to the Jamaican telephone carrier Digicel. So it's a long distance text message basically. Okay, and we're just waiting for it to prompt here to say that it did not go through, because there is no international text messaging plan on this phone right now with the Chatter chip in there. So we're just giving it a few. It tries actually several times, so we're just giving it a few to come back with a prompt to say unable to send. Okay, so that's all I'm waiting on right now. Okay, and there we go. So it came back and said unable to send message. This phone cannot send a message to the Jamaican carrier. Now if I was to just adjust a few things, okay, so if I was just to say, okay, all I did was just adjust a few things. Now I'm going to do the same thing again, and if I was to go put in the number 1-876-862-4599. okay, and this time I'm just going to say hi, hit send. This time we're going to wait for the message to come back in the BlackBerry. Okay, and there we go, message just came in. Okay, what did I send? I just actually sent hi. Okay, so if I was to go in my message, you guys will see the message says hi. Okay, I'm just screening out the phone number right now, because I don't want a whole bunch of you guys on YouTube start texting my number. Okay, so there's a message, hi. That's all I'm doing, is just screening out the actual phone number. Okay, I'm going to use the phone again. I'm going to do it another time. So let's say I wanted to send hey. No, let's say what's up. And I hit send. Okay, now we're just going to wait again. Just waiting for the message to come through. Sometimes it actually takes a little time to actually send, but you can send that message to anyone in the world. So if you are even in Japan, for example, and you wanted to send someone a message in the United States, you could actually do that. Okay, and it will be free and unlimited number of time. Okay, so here we go. So the message just came in again. Okay, so I'm just going to screen out the number, and there it is. What's up? Okay, hope you guys can read that. That's what we just sent. I'm just going to go back, and I can just keep on doing that. I can just keep on sending messages over and over, I mean, to any phone number in the world. Okay, so you guys wanted to learn this, I'm going to actually put the instructions on the page. So all you guys have to do is just read the instructions, follow the instructions, and I'll teach you guys how to do this. Okay, thank you.